In the United States, laws like the Civil Rights Act, the Equal Pay Act, and the Americans with Disabilities Act protect against discrimination. These laws remain unshaken, regardless of executive orders. But recent actions have dismantled the safeguards that help prevent discrimination from happening in the first place. The executive orders signed by President Trump removed affirmative action requirements and dismantled diversity, equity, and inclusion programs in federal agencies and among government contractors. These policies didn't just promote fairness, they were the first line of defense against systemic bias and discrimination. Without these proactive measures, federal institutions are left vulnerable. Lack of training, oversight, and accountability creates cracks in the system. And in those cracks, discrimination can thrive, whether intentional or not. This vulnerability isn't just theoretical. It has real-world implications for the lives and careers of countless individuals. When these cracks grow, the consequences follow. The government and its contractors could face more legal claims of systemic bias. Without safeguards in place, every mistake is magnified, leaving agencies open to lawsuits, public scrutiny, and ultimately mistrust. The ripple effects can be far-reaching, affecting not just the immediate victims of discrimination but also the broader community and the nation's moral fabric. By eliminating policies that help prevent discrimination, we've shifted from being proactive to reactive, addressing issues only after they've caused harm. This approach doesn't just cost lives, it erodes public confidence in the government's ability to lead fairly. It sends a message that equality and justice are not priorities, undermining the very principles upon which the nation was founded. A government without preventative safeguards is a government at risk, not just of lawsuits but of losing the trust of its people. Trust, once lost, is incredibly difficult to regain, and the damage to the social contract can be profound and lasting. Leadership requires accountability. Prevention matters. Protect diversity, protect fairness, protect trust. These are not just lofty ideals but essential components of a just and equitable society.